Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro free. So to disable or enable HD audio we need to enter into developer options, and if you don't know how to enable developer options for your phone, you can check video at this channel, we have it just for your device. After you enable it, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and you need to find system. Right here, at least on stock Android, we have developer options. Enter here, then scroll down and you need to find HD audio, or you can use the search and you can write HD. Right here it is, we have it, we're located in the developer options. So tap at this line, or you can just scroll down as I said and find it. To enable HD audio, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Once you enable HD audio, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And once you disable it, your earbuds will use SBC Bluetooth audio codec. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!